Hi, it's Erin Del Conte, Executive Editor with C-Store Decisions Magazine. I was just enjoying this watermelon lemon flavored beverage from Talking Rain. So Talking Rain are the makers of sparkling ice, and they have just launched this new line of better for you beverages in 3 delicious flavors. And the line is called Talking Rain Essentials. So this is packed with immune-supporting fundamentals like zinc, vitamins B1, B2, B3, B6, B12, vitamin A, vitamin D, so many vitamins, so much nutrition and wellness and good for you ingredients packed into these beverages. And we have the delicious flavors here. We have watermelon lemon, we have pineapple mango, and we have the mixed berry. And they all come in these beautiful sleek cans. These are 12-ounce slim cans, and they have these bright, fun colors to match the delicious flavors. You can find out more about this beverage line at the link in this post.